Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insulate a wall using rolled fiberglass insulation. Insulating your walls is maybe the best way to keep your home a comfortable temperature and keeps your heating and cooling costs down. There are different types of insulation that are rated for different climates. Check with the manufacturer to get the right R value for your area. Our demonstration was filmed in the Chicago area, and the recommended R value was 13. Another factor in choosing insulation is faced versus non-faced. Faced insulation has a moisture barrier and non-faced does not. Again, check with the manufacturer to see which one is right for your project. We chose faced for this project since it's in a basement where moisture is more likely to be an issue. Insulating is fairly straightforward. The rolled insulation width is meant to fit inside of a 16 on center framing, meaning the center of the studs are 16 inches apart. Roll out your insulation to the length of your framed wall and use a sharp utility knife to cut the insulation to size. Take that insulation and stuff it into the framing, and be sure to tuck the insulation behind any conduit or pipes. The insulation usually stays inside the frame on its own, but if you see it start to sag or fall, you may want to use a staple gun to staple it into place. For spaces in your framing that are smaller, measure that opening and cut the insulation lengthwise with your utility knife. For really tight fits, use a scraper or other thin, rigid object to force the insulation into the frame. Repeat this process for all of your exterior walls. Typically, insulation does not need to be installed on interior walls. Coming up next, it's time to add drywall over that freshly insulated framing.